Hello everyone. Today we are going to see some another relation between numbers and what are these? So these you see these are the just clutches used by my wife to spread the clothes. Okay, and I just arrange these clutches in some patterns. Okay, what's the pattern is? So there's just one. First is here is 1 and 2. There is 1, 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3. Okay. And here is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what we see here is there is just 1, there is 3, there is 6 and here 10. Okay. So what the number represented by these clutches? 1, 3, 6, 10. What is interesting about these type of numbers? What we see here is just we see the shape of these clutches. That means this total shape. What we see here is just one dot. There is just triangle. There is just little bit bigger triangle and there is just little bit more bigger triangle. Okay, that's why these numbers are known as the triangular numbers. Okay, so that means 1, 3, 6, 10, and what will be the next? Next will be 10 plus 5, that will be 15. And what will be the next further? So 15 plus 6, that will be 21. So etc. etc. These are the numbers known as the triangular numbers because it can be represented in the triangular form. Okay. And what I'm going to talk about, the another thing is we can arrange these numbers in another form also. That's are known as the square numbers. Okay. So if we arrange this like 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9. And then if we put here some more clutches, then what will be here? Then there will be in the form of 1, 4, 9, and there will be 16. Okay, so these numbers are known as the square numbers. Okay, 1, 4, 9, 16. Okay, there are little bit less pleasures, that means less numbers, but actually there should be 16. Okay, so what are these numbers? 1, 4, 9, 16, etc. etc. Now there is an interesting relation between these two numbers, that means the triangular number and the square number. That what's the interesting thing is? Interesting thing is we can express the each and every summation of just two consecutive triangular numbers in the form of a square number. Okay, what's this? That is, if you put just 1 and what's another triangular number is? That is 1 and 2. So that is, if you sum up these two triangular numbers 1 and 3, then what we get is the square number, that is 4. Okay, if we add these more two triangular numbers, that means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and this 1. So what is that is 1, 3 and 6. So that means if we add these two consecutive triangular numbers, that means 3 and 6, then what's it? Then that is 9. Okay, so that is then a square number. Okay, so similarly we can arrange this in so further ways, and what we found here is that the addition of two consecutive triangular number is just a square number. Okay, isn't it interesting? Okay, and there is very big relation, very interesting relation between the triangular numbers, expression of triangular numbers, square numbers, and Ramanujan theta function. So if you are interested, then you can Google it, the relation between Ramanujan theta function and triangular numbers, square numbers. Okay.